Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert JSON files into XML. Can be very handy because once the files converted to XML, you can do some further transformations, for example, using XLT. So here we have a directory with number of JSON files. They are very basic. Here they just holds the order. I have already created directories for input and output. So we have JSON and XML. Let's create transformation. Call it JSON to XML. We are not going to use validator, so we just delete it. We are using a file system as a connection type. Call it JSON. And very important, we need to check that read file contact checked. Otherwise it is not going to work. Now let's set write type. So again, it is a file system. And it is XML. And the description to XML. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to rename the file name because we want to have a different extension. We'll do it by replacing suffix. So we want to replace .json with .xml. Very easy. And next step is to actually convert JSON to XML. Just link file data. And we also need to set a tag. So in our case, we'll use tag order, the root tag. And we are now ready to run our transformation. So the way it works, the entire file content is loaded into the memory by one, then it is converted and saved into separate directory using a different extension. Let's check if it is actually worked. So here's our file. Let's edit it. And as you can see, it's an XML file. So that was easy. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.